أفمن شرح الله صدره للإسلام فهو على نور من ربه فويل للقاسية قلوبهم من ذكر الله.
From Luzon, sir. Luzon.
Okay, did you read books about Islam?
Yeah. I read some small book about Islam. So, I interested about that one. And then, I believe that God is only one. And Muhammad is the last messenger. So, that's why I am interested to join Islam. Yeah. So, I need some book like that to read.
Now in this company, you are 1 year, you said, right?
Yeah, more than 1 year.
More than 1 year. Did anyone talking about Islam? He told you about Islam?
Yeah, some of my friends told me about Islam. They are always, I always asking them because I'm interested about that one. So that's why my friend, I told to him that please help me about that one. And then he told me that I will give you book to read about Islam. So that's why I'm here.
So tell me exactly what is exactly guiding you to embrace Islam.
For my own, in my heart, deep in my heart, that for myself, that I will push myself to going to join in Islam. Because Islam, they are only believe that only one God.
Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the last messenger.
Yeah. And then Muhammad coming here, he is the one last messenger in the world.
So now you ready to embrace Islam. Okay, I will say Shahada and then you repeat after me, inshallah. Okay? Say Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Anna
anna
La ilaha
la ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammad
Rasulullah
Rasulullah
wa ashhadu
anna
Isa
Isa
abduhu
abdu
wa rasuluh.
rasul. Thank you very much.
الله نزل أحسن الحديث كتابا متشابها مثانية تقشعر منه جلود الذين يخشون ربهم ثم